How to install and use to Messenger on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So today let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of Messenger application on your device. So just search for Messenger, and here as you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So all we're going to do is just go back, and then what you're going to do is tap on the settings application. Now as you tap on settings application, just scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Here tap on the dual apps application or the option over here, and as you tap on that you'll be able to see there are different apps that you have on your device downloaded. So you can just select any of the application. Now since we want to use to Messenger on Android, simply you have to toggle on this option for Messenger over here. As you do that, this will create a dual app that requires working with Google services. So just turn on the option, and as you do that, now you can just go back and check on the Messenger, and here is your dual app or another Messenger on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.